My besties, how you doing? How you feeling? I pray all is well in your world. I decided to just hop in here in the beginning to apologize for my lateness, for my video being late. Please forgive. I've been dealing with some health issues. I have doctor's appointments and things like that set up so that I can confirm those things or deny those things, whichever one. I know that my God is a healer, but we still got to remember that we're human. We're not immortal. So I am working on that. I just wanted to tell y'all I love you. I appreciate you. Thank you from the bottom of my heart for staying with me, for rocking with me. We got 12 new subscribers, so I want to welcome our 12 new besties. I appreciate each and every one of you for coming here, clicking on this video. We are on the road to 1K because your girl needs to get monetized. You know, I love y'all. Y'all know, I hope that this motivates you or encourages you to do something today or tomorrow or tonight or to anytime that you get ready to. Um, I believe the video is about 15 minutes long, and in 15 minutes, you know what you can get done. You can get done that load that's sitting over there waiting on you for you to go home and fold it and put it away. Or you can go down into your dungeon or your nice sunny washroom or wherever and get the loads, swap them, create you a load, do a load. I'm telling you, if you do a load a day, you will not have as much laundry as you think. 2 loads is optimal, but if you can get 1 load of laundry done, washed it, dried it, folded, you have accomplished something big. Outside of making your bed on a regular basis, doing 1 load of laundry every single day will definitely help you. I'm gonna let y'all get into this video. Love you, love you, love you, love you, and I will see y'all later. Hey, my besties, how you doing? How you feeling? I pray all is well in your world, and welcome back for another video. On my channel, I do a little bit of everything that pertains to being a child of God, a wife, a stay-at-home mom, and a domestic goddess. I am here to help motivate, encourage, and uplift. So go on and hit that subscribe and become a part of the Bestie crew. To my OGs and my new news, I love you. Now, you know what it is, and you know what we do. Let's get it.
Oh, we're living in the present, but our mind is in the past, not knowing what we'll lose, don't know what will last, yeah, the things you always dare to dream, are not always what they seem. Close to total peace as the pain begins to ease. Not often we can see the beauty.
Always read the instructions.
Not often we can see the value that we gain. Now listen, little one, the wounds will heal in time. I know it wastes a ton, but baby, you'll be fine. You'll be fine, 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 fine. You'll be fine. You'll be fine, 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 fine. You'll be fine. Start living for the moment. Letting go of the past, yeah. Start cherishing what you hold dear, and we will make it last. Not often we can see the beauty in the pain. Not often we can see the value that we gain. Now listen.
Now, I already knew what this person was going to do. That's why the next scene is me flooring it and get up and get in front. What I can't stand is people who think that it's okay to drive this way. You already know that that's a right turn lane. So, yes, I'm going to be reckless. Don't come for me. But I'm like, your girl got stuff to do. And besides, I already got caught by this slow driver right here. So, trust. I got my penance.
Come on over, let's pick up where we left off. You and I had lots of love just to top it off. We can wind it down for days, never let it stop. I just want your everything, baby. Maybe later we can dance, never let go. Listen to our favorite songs on the radio. Losing up and lose ourselves to this feeling, oh. I just want your everything, baby. I'll be deep under your influence tonight. Ooh, keep it coming, babe. I don't mind another round. Drinking from your bottle, baby. Calling it wasted love, wasted love. I can't get enough of my baby. I'ma be wasted love, wasted love. I'm spilling liquor on the carpet, on the couch. I feel it dripping from my mouth. Drinking from your bottle, baby. Calling it wasted love, wasted love. Moon is rising and the stars are coming out. But we're missing cause we're way down on the ground. Ain't nobody interrupting if we decide. I just need an hour with you, baby. Yeah. Then we be blinded by the lights, oh. We get this feeling, oh, so right, oh. I'm so over being sober, you're all I know. I just need a night with you. Drinking from your bottle, baby. Calling it wasted love, wasted love. I can't get enough of my baby. I'ma be wasted love, wasted love. I'm spilling liquor on the carpet, on the couch. I feel it dripping from my mouth. Drinking from your bottle, baby. Calling it wasted love, wasted love. I'll be deep under your influence tonight. Ooh, keep it coming, babe. I don't mind another round. Drinking from your bottle, baby. Calling it wasted love, wasted love.
Now right here, I'm just testing it out to make sure everything is good. You know, if there's some drip or something, that means I need to tighten it up a little more, which I do. The kinks do come out with use. After you use it and the water runs through it and it, you know, it gets nice and hot and malleable, the kinks will come out.
Get enough of my baby. I'ma be wasted love, wasted love. I'm spilling liquor on the carpet, on the couch. I feel it dripping from my mouth. Drinking from your body.
Sorry everybody, the battery died, so I did not get the full cleaning. And another thing, I don't clean toilets on camera.
Oh, baby, calling it wasted love, wasted love.
Can you see me shaking? Hear the sound of my heart breaking. Bless the soul that's aching, hoping I survive. The feeling lingers on every day of every month, wishing I just could forget about you. The weight upon my bones makes it harder to move on. Oh baby, don't think that I'll ever forgive myself for losing
So not a good place to be broke down. This lady here in the SUV was mad at the blue SUV because he didn't let her go. But as you can see, now she's turning left. I didn't want to let her go either. But she got upset because they wouldn't let her go. We don't have to let you go. And here's another one that waves at me like, I let you go. You were already in the middle of the street. What you want me to do? Run you over?
The feeling lingers on every day of every month, wishing I just could forget it.
And this guy, he just didn't want his door no more. He just was like, here, take it.
Makes it harder to move on. Oh,
Now you already know that you should already be on this side of the road. What is you doing? The lines are there for the people who ride bikes, not for the cars. I swear people are just stupid. So this genius is really smart. He wanted to turn around, right? When he could have just drove a little bit further down to this little bus turnaround here and pulled in and turned around and went in the direction he needed to go. I tell you, folks are smart. So this genius right here was flying up. Now I already knew we needed to change lanes. That's why I got behind this truck. He flying up thinking he was going to get past me. I'm like, no, bro, you got to get into the back of the line just like everybody else. This is a back view of him and how he feels stupid because he should have just got over when he needed to get over. I am sorry, no offense to my OG drivers, but I'm telling you right now, I am an advocate of older people having to retake their license. That woman didn't see me coming. She just pulled out anyway. This fool, I don't know what he was doing, but he didn't stop. He had a whole stop sign. I didn't have a stop sign. Why didn't he stop? And then the bus. The piece de resistance. The bus tried to take me out. Look how close that bus was to me. It doesn't make any sense.
I was saying your name without the pain behind it. I'm moved on now, I'm not trying.
Here I am rearranging the pantry once again to make everything fit and look nice. And I actually have a combination of the acrylic containers, some of those Dollar Tree containers, and a lot of the containers for like the sugar and stuff like that until I get my new house with my great new pantry that I'm going to have. This is what I'm going to have to do to make things work, because it just wasn't working the other way, and it was becoming frustrating trying to find things that I needed when I needed them. So I just went through and took my time and moved things around and just made it work, and it looks a whole lot better now.
Impress you anymore, spending all this time trying to get you on my mind. Oh, it feels so good to take you off the pedestal. I don't know what I was thinking. Let it be more than drinking and going back to your place, never to see you again. That was simply delusion, followed up with confusion. That was just substitution for a lonely bed. So that's impressive, how much I'm messing with my feelings in my heart. Oh yeah, yeah, that's impressive, how much I'm messing with my feelings in my heart. Oh yeah, I'm going back to the table. I know they saving us up for the stable friend of mine, 'cause they know all this time that I was out my mind, thinking you were the one, that it was love, feelings were strong. I should've known, I should know. Ooh, I don't know what I was thinking. Let it be more than drinking and going back to your place, never to see you again. That was simply delusion, followed up with confusion. That was just substitution for a lonely bed. So that's impressive, how for your lonely bed. So that's impressive, how much I'm missing. Feelings in my heart, yeah, that's impressive, how much I'm missing. Feelings in my heart, oh, yeah. How much you're messing with me, 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 how much you're messing with me.
Hey, my besties, how would you like a free $10? Well, here's the giveaway that I'm doing today. I am giving away $10. You can either do $10 through Cash App, Sale, or I can send you or a $10 Amazon gift card. Those are the three. If you don't have Cash App and Zelle, you would rather have the $10 Amazon card, I can send it to you through your email. You just have to have an email address. This is my giveaway to give back to my besties, to show love and appreciation. Because, hey, who wouldn't mind a free $10? And on top of all of that, I just love y'all so much. So that is the giveaway. In the comment section, I want you to comment hashtag real ones. I will do the drawing at the end of the month, and I will notify you. I will notify through a video because I will do a separate video drawing, and that's how we'll do it. And it's either Cash App, Zelle, or $10 Amazon gift card. The rules are comment hashtag real ones, and you must be subscribed to my channel. You cannot participate if you are not subscribed to my channel. Also, husband cannot participate, and neither can my children. So, because they do watch my videos. So none of my children can want, none of my children can win, and my husband cannot win. So, outside of that, those are the rules. And I love y'all. I appreciate you. I thank you for watching all the way through and for being one of the real ones, one of the loyals. And I appreciate y'all so much. And I will check y'all later.